The drone community is in an absolute frenzy right now. And if you're planning to buy a new drone anytime soon, you need to freeze exactly where you are and listen to every single word of this breakdown, because what has just surfaced out of the global supply chain is about to change the landscape of aerial photography forever. For years, consumer drones have been bound by an invisible, frustrating wall divided by weight classes, forced to choose between the ultimate freedom of a sub 250-gram aircraft or the professional imaging quality of heavy, regulated cinematic platforms. If you have been flying the current lineup, you know that while the sub 250-gram category has saved us from endless regulatory paperwork, FAA tracking, and strict flight permissions in the United States, it always came with a painful compromise in hardware limitations, sensor boundaries, and wind resistance. But DJI is reportedly preparing to shatter that barrier entirely with a machine that shouldn't mechanically exist under the sub 250-gram threshold. This is the unannounced, heavily whispered DJI Mini 6 Pro, a drone designed specifically to bypass federal registration while packing the raw, uncut processing power and optical hardware of a $1,000 Hollywood production rig. The leaked blueprints and component manifests originating directly from manufacturing facilities indicate that DJI is no longer treating the Mini lineup as a compromised hobbyist tool, but rather as their stealth flagship meant to cannibalize their own higher-tier models. If these engineering documents are accurate, we're looking at an upcoming release that makes previous sub 250-gram architectures look like ancient toys, forcing us to redefine what a portable camera system can actually achieve in midair. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. When you look closely at the trajectory of the DJI Mini series, the progression has always been incremental, careful, and predictable, keeping a safe distance from the larger Mavic and Air lineups to protect their profit margins. However, competitive pressure from independent tech manufacturers and shifting global drone regulations have completely changed the game, backing the engineering teams into a corner where they had to pull out their most disruptive innovations ahead of schedule. The foundation of this entire DJI Mini 6 Pro leak rests upon a massive breakthrough in structural material science, answering the agonizing question of how a company can physically pack heavier glass, larger batteries, and advanced radar arrays into a frame that cannot exceed the weight of a standard smartphone. To understand why the drone community is losing its mind over the DJI Mini 6 Pro, you have to understand the absolute engineering sorcery required to manipulate weight distributions at this microscopic level. According to internal supply chain memos, DJI has developed a specialized, ultra-high-density carbon fiber composite alloy for the core chassis and internal structural arms of the DJI Mini 6 Pro, replacing traditional heavy plastics with a weave that is 40% lighter, yet significantly more rigid. This structural evolution is critical because every single milligram saved on the frame shell gives the engineers the freedom to expand the physical size of the camera sensor and the thermal cooling systems without pushing the takeoff weight to 250 grams. If you are an American pilot flying under recreation rules or running a professional commercial business under Part 107 regulations, you already know that staying under 249 grams means you can fly in dense urban spaces, close to structures, and without the heavy, encumbering gaze of municipal oversight that plagues larger drones. The DJI Mini 6 Pro is engineered specifically to exploit this exact regulatory loophole to its absolute maximum potential, giving creators unprecedented cinematic power in a shell that legally clears every major regulatory barrier the moment it leaves the palm of your hand. Let us dive directly into the absolute crown jewel of these leaked specifications, which is the revolutionary imaging system that the DJI Mini 6 Pro is rumored to introduce to the world. For the longest time, fitting a true 1-inch sensor into an ultralight drone was dismissed by engineers as a physical impossibility due to the massive weight of the optical glass and the acquired motorized stabilization gimbals. Yet multiple independent insider reports have confirmed that the DJI Mini 6 Pro will feature an entirely custom-designed 1-inch stacked CMOS image sensor, a phenomenal leap forward that completely dwarfs the older 1/1.3-inch sensors found in legacy portable drones. This is not just a standard flat sensor upgrade. A stacked CMOS architecture physically splits the pixel sensing circuitry from the processing transistors, layering them directly on top of each other to maximize light collection efficiency while drastically reducing data readout times. What this means for your actual footage is a level of low-light performance, native dynamic range, and tonal depth that was previously restricted to massive, multi-thousand-dollar cinema cameras. Imagine launching the DJI Mini 6 Pro during the dead of night over a glittering city skyline or capturing a dramatic sunset over a misty mountain range and seeing absolutely zero digital noise in the shadows, pristine highlight retention in the bright lights, and rich, organic color accurate to real life. The sheer light-gathering surface area of this new sensor means that the DJI Mini 6 Pro can capture authentic, uncompressed detail in challenging lighting scenarios where older drones would output a muddy, pixelated, artifact-ridden mess. But the optical madness behind the DJI Mini 6 Pro camera array does not stop at the physical dimensions of the stack sensor, because the leaks point to an even more shocking mechanical implementation: a variable, motorized physical aperture system. Historically, small pocket drones have been locked into a fixed aperture, usually around f/1.7, meaning that when you fly in blindingly bright daylight conditions, you're forced to land the drone and manually clip on physical ND filters just to keep your shutter speed balanced for smooth motion blur. The DJI Mini 6 Pro is rumored to break this frustrating workflow by integrating a microscopic, dual-blade mechanical variable aperture that can seamlessly transition anywhere from a wide-open f/1.8 down to a sharp f/4.0 mid-flight. Think about the sheer creative freedom this gives you as a content creator or filmmaker. You can start a flight in a dark, heavily forested canopy with a lens completely open to absorb every photon of light, and as the DJI Mini 6 Pro ascends out into the brilliant, unobstructed afternoon sun, the internal software automatically stops down the aperture to maintain perfect exposure. This variable system also introduces genuine, non-software emulated optical depth of field to a sub-250-gram drone for the first time in history, allowing you to fly close to a subject and achieve a beautifully smooth, naturally blurred background that separates your subject with cinematic precision. The processing backbone accompanying this massive sensor breakthrough on the DJI Mini 6 Pro enables video recording capabilities that will completely disrupt the professional videography market. Internal prototype logs reveal that the DJI Mini 6 Pro is fully capable of encoding native 6K video at up to 30 frames per second, alongside an incredibly smooth 4K resolution at an astonishing 120 frames per second for ultra-crisp, high-definition slow-motion capture. The inclusion of 6K resolution in an ultralight drone is an absolute game-changer for professional editors and faceless content creators who rely heavily on digital cropping, stabilizing, and reframing in post-production. With a native 6K master file from the DJI Mini 6 Pro, you can easily crop into a vertical format for social media shorts or punch in for a tight close-up shot on an object while retaining a flawless, native 4K output file with zero loss in visual clarity. Furthermore, the drone is set to support a true, uncompressed 10-bit D-Log M color profile across all resolutions, capturing over 1 billion distinct colors and offering an expansive dynamic range that gives colorists immense flexibility to push and pull tones during the grading process without breaking the digital image apart.